Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Rishika. I'm gonna share you a quick review of these mop brushes. So these are mop brushes sold by Creative Hands in the number 0, 2, 4 and 8. So these are the numbers guys, 0 to 4 and 8 if you can see it. Well, they are of generously sized and hand shaped. Now it's very nice to paint. It feels very nice to paint with these brushes. These are very nice brushes. I just love using them. Okay, see this one. Yes. I'm using it for a while now, but I want to share an honest review regarding this because so many of us are confused regarding what type of brush should we use and what are the best quality brushes at cheap rate available in the market. So yeah, currently in India there are not a lot many options because we generally tend to go with the local brushes which are made up of, I guess, synthetic fibers. But yeah, these are the mop brushes which are made up of goat hair or squirrel hair. I'm not sure about it, but these are very thick. Wait, I'm gonna show you these. So see the brushes here, the thickness. You can see these. So yeah, these brushes are good with watercolor, gosh, illustration, animation, designing, whatever you want to do. Yeah, these brushes go well with any kind of water medium. These are specifically for watercolors, water brushes. So you need to use it with water. Don't use it with acrylic colors and all. Okay. So wait. This is how the brush looks like when it's dried. This is very thick. I'm sharing number 8 with you. These are brush to brushes. I'm sharing number 8 with you. And this is how it looks like when it's in dipped in water. So the first thing I'm going to share with you is that these brushes hold a large amount of water, like seriously a generous amount of water to wet your whole paper A4 size sheet. The second positive point is it has see this thin bristle kind of thin tip, so you can do any kind of marking. Now wait, let me show you one thing. This is number 4. Yeah, so I'm just dipping it in water. See, you can get a pointed tip. It's holding a lot amount of water. Wow. It's holding a lot amount of water. Yes, you can have a pointed tip like this. Just an excess amount of water. This is the pointed tip. It exactly looks like the brush I haven't used yet. So this is the brush I haven't used yet, and this is the brush I dipped right now in front of you guys in the water. So this is how it looks like when it's in water. So, and this is how it looks like when it's dried up. Okay, it's dried. It's completely dried. It's not dried. It's wet. It's wet, and I haven't used it yet. Okay. So these are the pros, and the negative side of it is it shed hairs. Okay, so you can see these hairs coming out of the brush. Okay, but this is very in very small quantity, but it won't affect you that much. Like सारे बाल निकल जा रहे हैं, brush होगा क्या, brush खराब हो जाएगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It stays for a long time and yeah, it's very durable. ये खराब नहीं होगी, इतनी जल्दी खराब नहीं होगी. Just see how nicely it's forming the shape. I just love the shape. Yeah. तो ये इतनी जल्दी ख़राब नहीं होने वाली. इसके बाल इतने जल्दी झड़ने नहीं वाले जैसे आपके सर के बाल झड़ते हैं. Not at all. Okay. So I'll show you. I'll just paint and show you. तैयार है. Okay guys. I have these acrylic sheets. Okay guys, I have these Canson sheets which is 200 GSM, and I'll use this paintbrush and color it in this sheet. Well, one thing I want to share about this sheet is I don't like them at all. I don't hate Canson paper, but I don't like using Canson paper. So it is actually a test for this brush, that will it be able to, pass the test or not. Okay, let's check out how it works. Okay guys, so this is how the illustration has turned out. The paper is still wet, and this is how each and every brush performs. Okay, see, this is 0. Yeah, this is 0. The tip is like this. This is number 2. Yeah, this is number 2, and the tip of the brush is like this, will give you this result. This is number 4, and the tip will give you this result. So I didn't have enough space, so I just painted it back. This is number 8, and yeah, just look at this amount of color the brush can hold. This amount of color, and this is the tip. It's actually fine. This is the result of the mop brush, Rusto mop brush. Yeah. Now the only con about it is that the hair falls, but इतना भी नहीं झड़ेगा कि आप टकले हो जाए, मतलब ब्रश टकला हो जाए, हाँ, तो जैसे नॉर्मल जैसे झड़ते हैं ब्रशेस में, द हेयर फॉल गोज, even the normal brushes, other brand brushes, the bit amount of like 5 to 6 hairs fall. But the reason why we don't don't consider those hair fall as hair falls and these hair falls as hair falls is because in those brushes the bristles are very thin, like it's very thin. So when you're doing it suddenly and brushing it and एक गिरता भी है bristle इधर उधर, तो you just no remove it. और ये अगर गिरता है ना तो it's clearly visible. It's clearly visible how thick it is. Because of its thickness, the bristles are visible when it falls. And in other brushes, thin brushes, the bristles are very thin, hairs are very thin. So whenever there is a hair fall, but you don't understand it, like किसी को भी समझ नहीं आता है कि हाँ ठीक है निकला चलो छोड़ो, ऐसा हो जाता है. I take it generally like this way. This is what I have understood while using these brushes and simultaneously using those brushes as well. So yeah, this was all for this video. I hope you guys like watching it, and if it was meaningful and enjoyable, please like the video. You can even subscribe to my channel. I'll be very, very happy. And yeah, click the bell button. Also do share this video. I want to share one more thing is I bought these brushes. I paid for these brushes a long time ago, but it didn't deliver. It didn't got delivered to my to me. Because of this COVID-19 crisis, and yeah, so delivery was closed. But as soon as I received the product, first thing I was very careful by receiving this product as it was coming from outside. I don't know who all were touching this product, but I kept the packet outside, like near my door for about two days. I left the package there and with all the other packages basically. So I left the package there, and after 2 days I washed that package, opened that package. I just ripped apart it, and I got this brushes. Now I had to even I just went on washing the outer thing and protecting. I was very conscious about it. So if in case you are getting it or you are ordering it online, please be careful. ये हथियार है जंग का मैदान. Bye bye.